In order to have a successful retie, you need to organize your locks, and I like to put them in 4 sections to keep me sane so they're not mixed up all over the place. Moving on with this side, really nasty. This one I'm just going to braid it because it's loose and short. Braiding it is the best option. I usually get a little slippage, maybe 1 or 2 locks in the back or around the perimeter, and that's completely normal. It's a high traffic area with a lot of movement, so especially when you're showering or washing your face, constant movement causes them to unravel. I'm moving right along, but don't worry, once I get to the front, I'll slow things down so you can really see my technique. In the meantime, let's talk about my method of choice. I've been using 2-point rotation since the beginning of my locks journey, and I have never had any issues with it. Some people say it's not as tight as 4-point rotation, but honestly, that's not true. I retie my locks every 6 weeks or so, just like everyone else. And my locks are strong and healthy, as you can see. The 2-point rotation is exactly what it sounds like. And you can choose where to start. For example, when I'm doing it in the camera, and I'm trying to do it in a way for you, so you can see what I'm doing, which is bottom to top and then front to back. And so we're just gonna keep repeating it over and over, bottom to top and then front to the back until it's tight, but not too tight because you don't want to have a headache. It also causes thinning and you don't want that, so you just want it to be tight enough but not too tight so that it gives you a headache. Alright, let's move a little closer so you can really see what I'm talking about. Top to bottom and then back to front. Again, we're gonna do that again. So top to bottom and then back to front. This is a process you're gonna keep repeating over and over and over again. It's very tedious. One last time, let's do it. So we're starting from top to bottom and then back to the front. Very important. You have to make sure that you don't repeat a rotation, because if not, you're gonna create holes in your locks and you don't want that. And number 2, you should never start where you stop last. Let's say your last retie, and then you can tell by touching it, and you should never start again where you stop last. Very important. If you do, you're gonna create holes again. So let's do it again. See, bottom to the top and then from back to front. Well, it's tight enough, and that's it. Oh my god, I finished. I'm done. I can't believe it. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you remember how I started, how the front looked like, and then how everything is so neat and tidy right now. And there's no better feeling in the world when you're done retying your locks. Like, there's no better feeling in the world, seriously. And this is it, my lovely. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.